Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into two simple but powerful Linux commands, the head and tail. These commands help you quickly read the beginning and end of files. The head command displays the first 10 lines of a file by default. This is useful when you just want to get a quick look at the top of a log or config file. And the basic syntax for it is head. You can customize how many lines to view using the -n option. To view what is inside file1 file, I will use the command cat file1. This is the content inside file1. If I want to read the first 10 lines of file1, I will use the command head file1. Then I will hit enter. So this will show me the first 10 lines. The head command in Linux typically counts lines, not word or characters. By default, it will count both blank and non-blank lines. If you want to count only non-blank lines, you can use a combination of grep and wc or head with grep. Grep -v. I will use the command pipe head -n amount of lines I want it to show me. So once I hit enter, this will show the first 10 non-blank lines of the file. If you want to count the total number of lines, including blank lines, with head, you can use the following command: head -n, the number of lines that you want to count, file1, then you pipe it, you use wc, which stands for word count, -l. Once you hit enter, it will show you the total number of lines, which is 10. This will count the total number of lines up to the first 10 lines specified by head and display the line count. The next command is the tail command. Just like head, this one shows you the last 10 lines of a file by default, especially useful for viewing the end of a log file. Do tail, the file name, and put the file name that you created in your directory. For me, I will use file1. Once I hit enter, it will show me the last 10 lines of a file. You can use -n with tail. For example, to use the last 15 lines, you will specify the number tail. So this command will show me the last 15 lines of file1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share. See you on the next one.